Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add Google Drive to your File Explorer. Just come to your browser and search on Google Drive or desktop download. Then you can open up this link from a Google Workspace. And then right here we have the option to download a drive for desktop. Just go ahead and click on this and it will automatically start downloading it for you. So I can show you right here, it is currently downloading. So we'll just wait for this setup.exe to download, and then we're going to go ahead and launch this and show you what exactly you need to do. All right, there you go. It's done downloading. So go ahead and open this up. Okay, just go ahead and click on that, and then we'll wait for the setup to start up. Okay. Okay, here you go. So I can toggle this one on to add an application shortcut to my desktop as well. And then this is okay. Can go ahead and click on install. So it's currently installing. Just have to wait for a few seconds for this to be done installing. There you go. Google Drive has been successfully installed. You can go ahead and launch this, right? All right, so now I'll click on get started. Basically, I want to sign in first. So I'll come here. They'll redirect me to this page. I'll go ahead and use this account to sign in to my drive. I'll click on sign in. And there we go. We have been signed in to Google Drive, okay? All right, so we're successfully signed in. I can also choose folders you want to sync from your computer to your drive automatically. I'll skip this for now, but what I wanted to show you mainly was this, okay? Let's click on got it. There you go. If you come down here, Google Drive has been added to my File Explorer. Really that easy and simple.